This video is for beta classes. Assalamu alaikum kids. Welcome to the maths class. Today we are going to recognize and learn counting numbers from 1 to 6. But before we do that, let me introduce myself. I'm your class teacher, Teacher Bisma. So let's get started. Okay kids? Students, these are the first 6 counting numbers. So, let's learn about these numbers. Students, let's read. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now students, say along with me. 1, very good. 2, very good. 3, very nice. 4, 5, very good. 6, great. Kids, we will start with number 1. For writing 1, we will draw a standing line. One. Kids, tell me, what comes after 1? Yes, number 2. Let's write number 2. A curve and a sleeping line makes 2. So kids, what comes after 2? Yes, number 3. Sleeping line, slanting line, curve makes 3. Dear students, now let's count. How many knives are there? Yes, 1. Okay, how many kittens are there? Yes, 2. Okay, how many apples are there? Yes, 3. 1 knife, 2 kittens, 3 apples. Kids, now you tell me, which number comes after 3? Yes, number 4. Now we will write number 4. Slanting line, sleeping line, standing line, 4. And now students, tell me, which number comes after 4? Very good, number 5. Sleeping line, standing line, curve, 5. And now, which number comes after 5? Very good, number 6. For 6, we need a curve joining another curve. 6. Now, 4, 5, 6. 4 cars, 5 balls, 6 baskets. Okay students, now count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Dear students, keep practicing this lesson at home. Inshallah, we will meet in next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.